Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update apps on iPhone. So if you want to make sure your apps are running smoothly with the latest feature, I'll show you how to update apps on your iPhone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's start with a method 1, that is updating through the App Store. So first open the App Store and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. And now once you are here, simply scroll down from the top to refresh the list. And after that, simply swipe down and here you can either tap on update all or update specific apps individually. You can also search for an app that you want to update and tap update if a new version is available. And with that, let's move forward to the method 2, that is force updating and clearing cache. So if an app is acting buggy, there is a way to update it while also clearing cache and temporary files. And here is how you can do it. So first open the settings app on your phone and from here simply tap on general. Now in this section, simply tap on the option labeled iPhone storage and here find the app that's giving you trouble. Let's say PUBG. So simply tap on it and in this section simply tap on offload app and this will remove cache and temporary files while keeping your data intact. And once you've done that, simply reinstall the app and it will automatically update to the latest version. And this method helps fix glitches while ensuring your app is fully updated. And that's it. Now your apps are up to date and running smoothly. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.